Hey, I'm Donna Fiore, your All-American Realtor, and I specialize in helping military and veteran families find their dream home here in North and Central Florida. So who's eligible for a VA loan? Veterans, active duty service members, National Guard members, reserve members, and a surviving spouse. The VA guarantees a portion of the loan will be paid back to the lender. So in case the homeowner defaults, the government backs these loans. One of the things that everyone loves about a VA loan is that there's no down payment required and that there's no private mortgage insurance. That's different than homeowners insurance. You gotta call me to find out the difference. It does come with a mandatory fee. They call it a VA funding fee, and it's based on the price of the home. It's a percentage. So again, I can help you figure those items out. There's always an appraisal required with a VA loan because they obviously want to know that the money that they're lending is going to have the same value in the home. So if you're going to buy a home for $300,000, it needs to appraise for $300,000, and the VA does require that. They are more forgiving with credit scores. The VA wants to do their part in helping a veteran and a military service member get into homes. So if your credit score, is around 620, sometimes they'll even go down to 580. So that's another attractive feature of a VA loan. Your closing costs can be covered by the seller. So you need to talk to your real estate agent, me, your All-American Realtor, because we work in these areas all the time. And there's ways to structure your offer with the seller that you ask them to pay your closing costs or other types of fees that can be paid. The VA loans must be used for your primary residence. You can't buy a home as an investment property. You must live in it, but you can own two, which is kind of fun. Imagine that. You've worked really hard, you've served your country, and you can have two homes under the VA loan program. They all have loan limits though. So again, contact me and I can help you discover what those eligibility items are. There's no prepayment penalty. So if you win the lottery and you want to pay the house off, you can pay it off and they're not going to penalize you for that. There are loans that do penalize you when you pay them off sooner than expected. The VA loan is reusable. So you buy a house, you live in it for 5 years and you sell it, or if you live in it for 1 year and you sell it, you can then use your VA eligibility and buy another home. It's not one and done. You can use it multiple times. And the most attractive thing, I think, I've helped buyers do this, is the VA loan is assumable. So if you're currently looking to buy a home and you're a veteran, I can help you find another veteran who's wanting to sell their home at that 2.5 interest rate. Although you will need to pay a little bit of cash in between, let's just say if the loan values are different, but I can help you with that. I helped a couple recently get a VA loan at 2.8 when their interest rates, nationally are over 7%. So that's why you need your All-American Realtor to help you understand the differences and eligibilities in VA loans. I'm Donna Fiore, your All-American Realtor. I specialize in helping military and veteran families find their home in Central and North Florida.